Leche flan for today's video, guys. Perfect for holiday season. Tatanggalin lang natin, guys, gamit yung aking malinis ng kamay. Ganyan lang. Tapos yung egg white, pwede natin pag gumawa tayo ng magagamit natin yan. Kailangan talaga is sariwa yung ating itlog. Ayan. Lang natin lahat. Nandaan lang natin is ganyan to haluin. Condensed milk, 1 can, yung malaki, ay 390 grams. And evap, 370 grams. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. 1 tablespoon of salt. Then, mix lang natin to. Dahan lang natin yung halos. 1/2 tablespoon of lemon. And then, mix. Yung leche flan na texture. So, 3 beses natin sasalain. Paring isang kutsara bawat linera. Hinang apoy lang. Caramelize lang natin ito. Gagalaw-galawin lang natin para hindi siya masunog. Pag ganito na, set aside na natin yan. Sa luhit, 60 minutes natin isasalang natin to. And atin na ngayon yan salang. Kubera natin ng tela na malinis. Then, wow, it's a perfect, guys! Perfect. So, this is a leche flan. Lalamigin lang natin yan. Then, lalagay natin sa ref. Leche flan for today's video, guys. Perfect for holiday season. And perfect Korean, guys. This is my own version of leche flan. Wow. Perfect na perfect for this holiday. Perfect for business of. Today is leche flan. Tikman natin, guys. Wow, this is a perfect my leche flan. My homemade leche flan. Wow, delicious, perfect, tama lang yung kanyang tamis, hindi siya ganun katamis. It's perfect this coming holiday and good for business. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye guys. Thank you.